Okay, as we're so excited about our brand new app, I wanted to share a couple of app recipes with you guys over the last couple of weeks. So we had the coconut lentil dal, where I think in that video I told you a lot more about it with 400 plant-based recipes and yoga videos and meal planners and everything. And I wanted to share a sweet recipe with you guys today. So these are gooey, caramelly blondies. So blondies basically brownies without the chocolate, although we're going to do some chocolate chips in these, but you can swap that out for like pieces of nuts or something if you don't want to make them chocolatey. And then this is the best bit, there's like this really amazing sticky caramel sauce that we're going to pour all over it, and I think you're going to love it. So the blondies take literally 2 minutes to stir together. So all we're going to do is just add ground almonds, buckwheat flour, coconut sugar to a bowl. Then we're just going to add almond milk, but you could use oat milk as well if you've got a nut allergy. Then maple syrup, a bit of bicarbonate of soda, and then we're going to stir that all up so it's really nice and smooth, and it already looks and feels so caramel-like at this point. You've got to try the mixture, it's heaven. And then I'm going to add some chocolate chips, which is just literally, I'm just going to break up some dark chocolate, or you can add some macadamia nuts or walnuts or whatever you like at this point, and then just stir that through. And then you're just going to line a baking tray with some parchment paper and then pour the mix in, which is pretty satisfying to watch because it does look like heaven. And then we're going to bake it for like 35 to 40 minutes, and we want to cook it so obviously it's cooked through, but it's still got that kind of really nice fudginess. And then when we take it out, we leave it to cool, and that helps the final kind of setting process of it. So try and be patient. So while it's cooking, we can just make the sauce, and we just stir together coconut oil, maple syrup, coconut sugar, peanut or almond butter, and a pinch of sea salt, and that is literally amazing. You can use that on ice cream, on anything, and then we'll pour that over the top. So these are super indulgent. There's a lot of sweetener in there, and it's just, they're heaven. They're definitely a kind of, probably quite a treat, but when you do make them, I think you're gonna absolutely love them. And then when you get those little bits of chocolate when you're eating it, that moment is like heaven on earth. So I'm excited to hear what you guys think, and you'll find loads more recipes like this on our brand new Delicious Yella app.